Changing your username on Uber is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to update your username easily. Step 1. Open the Uber app. Launch the Uber app on your mobile device. Make sure you are logged into your account. Step 2. Access your profile. Tap on the menu icon, usually located in the top left corner of the screen. From the menu, select your profile or account to access your account settings. Step 3. Edit your username. Look for the option that allows you to edit your personal information. Find the field labeled username and tap on it to make changes. Step 4. Enter new username. Type in your desired new username. Ensure that it meets any specified requirements, such as character limits or restrictions on special characters. Step 5. Save changes. After entering your new username, look for a Save or Update button and tap it to confirm your changes. You should receive a notification that your username has been successfully updated. Once you have completed these steps, your username will be changed. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to Uber support for assistance.